Joe's old dog might need a trip to the dog groomer, huh? We said it in fun. We were kind of just kidding around. I love all dogs. I said that about 5 times during this segment. I really do, by the way. Guess what happened? The mob tried to cancel me. They tried to cancel me, a dog lover. I don't remember the circumstances of this, but this is a couple of years ago. It's not just something I did yesterday for the show, all right? Interesting, huh? Look, when the mob comes for you, let me tell you something. You can survive it. It's no big deal. I'm used to it a little bit. If you're not, let me know. I can help. But just remember what our president said, when it comes to cancel culture and the mob. Remember this message from July 4th of 2020. I think the whole speech is a masterpiece. History will ultimately judge it to be one of the greatest speeches in American history. But this little portion I think you'll find very useful right around now.
There is a new far-left fascism that demands absolute allegiance. If you do not speak its language, perform its rituals, recite its mantras, and follow its commandments, then you will be censored, banished, blacklisted, persecuted, and punished. It's not going to happen to us.
Not going to happen to us. I like that very much, but we've got to be tough. We got to be tough. Got to be fair, got to be nice, but you got to be tough too.
Recite its mantras and follow its commandments. Then you will be censored, banished, blacklisted, persecuted, and punished. It's not going to happen to us. Recite its mantras and follow its commandments. Then you will be censored, banished, blacklisted, persecuted, and punished. It's not going to happen to us.